Trivets help to protect surfaces from heat damage. In the past, trivets would have 3 legs. Now, trivets come in all shapes, sizes, and cool aesthetics. You can put a serving dish, pan, or hot food on it, and chances are you own one in your home. What you need for this project include a bag of rocks, a small bag of pebbles, glue gun, adhesive cork sheet, some foam board, ready-to-use grout, and a wet cloth or sponge. So let's get started. You start to assemble the rocks in the middle of the cork that you cut out. And you need to kind of pour out your rocks on the surface so that you can see what you have, because you will want to use rocks that are more flat, because then your surface will be flat. I took advantage of the sticky cork because the rocks will stick to this, but on the flip side I also used hot glue, because then I made sure that the rocks would stick and not fall off. The other thing that you may want to consider, other than the size of the rocks, is the color of the rocks and pebbles. You want to make sure that you vary the color and the size, and you want to do that starting in the middle, going around until you get to the edge of your circle. I also cut a foam board in a circle to accommodate the rock trivet, because once you get all of the rocks on there and you've hot glued it, it is a little heavy, so you need something sturdy to make sure that it doesn't fall apart before you do the grouting. Now it is time to grout. So this is a pretty messy job, so make sure you put something down to protect your surface, and then you're going to put on some gloves. You will take your ready-made grout and you're going to make sure that it is in all of the grooves in between the rocks, because you can't get the rocks so tightly together. You want spaces in your trivet. Now it is time to wipe off the excess grout and show off the beauty of the stones. And this will take many tries, so you can get a wet sponge and you can remove the excess. And then I just kept rubbing the stones until the stones showed through. If you're having a tough time getting the grout off of the stones, you can use a little bit of vinegar, but you have to make sure that you don't get it in the grooves of the grout, because then that will weaken your grout. So set your teapot or your dish full of hot, delicious food and look at the interesting trivet that you've made. Wow, you rock! If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.